Back on the local scene now. In spite of efforts from the party executive, the People's National Party's leadership race still seems to be bruising relationships within the party. The two candidates signed another document, a declaration seeking to ensure unity leading up to and after Saturday's election. Last month, Lisa Hanna and Mark Golding signed a code of conduct promising fair and clean behavior from both campaigns ahead of the November 7 presidential election. On Wednesday, they were asked to sign a declaration, again promising to refrain from divisive actions before and after the election. Chairman of the party's Appeal and Monitoring Committee, Norman Minot, says the conduct has been good.
I would say by and large, however, that the manner in which both campaigns have dealt with the whole process of staying in line with the code of conduct is quite admirable.
However, according to candidate Lisa Hanna, the code has not fully prevented the attacks, which in some cases are personal.
Some of them might not even be supporters of either side, but just create accounts on social media in particular to denigrate, eviscerate, and bludgeon people's identities and their families. It is a problem.
Since the candidates expressed their interest in the leadership position, there has been a slew of comments on social media bashing and praising both candidates.
I've been at the end of it, certainly in this election. It's not easy for my family to look at some of the things that are written. I'm sure it's not easy for some of Mark's family to look at it. And I believe children are off limits in a campaign. And I want to say that very, very stridently.
There have also been stinging comments at delegates' meetings for both candidates. While those have been dealt with by speaking with the individuals, Mr. Golding agrees with Ms. Hanna that more should be done.
Generally speaking, going forward, we have to build a culture of respect for each other in how we discuss issues, and also a respect for the need for discipline in how we present ourselves to the outside world, so to speak, the wider public. And that is something I think we need to work on assiduously going forward.
There has to be sanctions, especially for members who you can identify, who willingly go into the media and decide to discredit any candidate without proof, and willingly do it on platforms, willingly do it whether it is in the media, on platforms, in social media, and otherwise.
On Saturday, more than 3,300 of the party's delegates will elect a new president at 12 polling stations across the island. Voting will be between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m., with a winner expected by 5 in the afternoon.